We've all been there, moments when life feels chaotic, when the future seems uncertain, and we're left feeling small in the face of all that's unknown. But there's a simple, powerful truth that can bring us peace even in the middle of life's storms. God is in control. It's a truth that, if we embrace it, can transform the way we face fear, uncertainty, and even the biggest challenges life throws our way. When fear grips us, it often stems from feeling like everything is on our shoulders, like we have to hold it all together, figure everything out, and control every outcome. But here's the truth: we don't have to. In fact, we were never meant to. In Isaiah 41:10, God says, "Fear thou not, for I am with thee. Be not dismayed, for I am thy God. I will strengthen thee, yea, I will help thee, yea, I will uphold thee with the right hand of my righteousness." Think about that for a moment. God is saying, you don't have to hold this alone. I am here. I am with you. Fear often comes from the unknown, from the sense that we're not in control. But here's the comfort we find in faith. God sees the entire picture while we only see a part. Trusting in God's control doesn't mean everything will be easy or that we'll always understand what's happening. It means that even when we can't see the outcome, we trust that He can. When we accept that God is ultimately in control, we can let go of trying to control every detail ourselves. We can walk with a sense of peace, knowing that we're being guided. Think of it like this. Imagine you're in a car, riding as a passenger with someone who knows the road, who knows every turn and every stop. You don't have to know every detail because you trust that the driver does. God is like that driver, guiding us through life's twists and turns. When we trust Him, we free ourselves from the fear that comes from feeling like we have to figure it all out ourselves. We can take a deep breath, sit back, and let go of the constant worry. When we remember that God is in control, we're able to live more fully in the present. Instead of letting fear hold us back, we can take steps forward with faith. We can focus on the things that matter, the people we love, the goals we're working toward, and the moments that make life meaningful. We let go of the need to predict the future and focus instead on living with purpose today. Letting go of fear doesn't mean ignoring reality or pretending challenges don't exist. It means looking at those challenges through a different lens. Psalm 46:10 says, "Be still and know that I am God." That's a powerful call to rest in His presence, to find strength in His power, and to trust that He is guiding us, even when the path isn't clear. So the next time fear creeps in, remember this: you don't have to have it all figured out. You don't have to carry every burden alone. God is in control, and He is with you every step of the way. Take comfort in that, find strength in it, and let it give you the courage to keep moving forward. Life is unpredictable, but God's love and guidance are steady and true. Let go of fear, embrace trust, live with peace, knowing that you're not alone in this journey. God is in control, and because of that, we can walk forward with courage and calm. Let's take each step with faith, knowing we're being guided by a love that never fails.